Want to add an Instagram post or reel right onto your WordPress site without any complicated plugins or coding? In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest and easiest way to embed an Instagram post, even if you're brand new to WordPress. By the end, you'll be able to make your site more dynamic, visual, and up-to-date with just a link. Let's dive right in. Alright, let's start with what's called the native URL method, which is hands down the quickest way to add a single Instagram post, video, or reel to your page or blog post. First, open up your web browser and head to the exact Instagram post you want to showcase. This could be something you shared, maybe your latest vacation pic, a cool reel, or even a customer testimonial, or something from another account. Just keep copyright and sharing rules in mind. Now look at the very top of your browser window where you see the address bar. You'll find something like instagram.com/p/sumcode. That's the unique address or URL for this specific Instagram post. Highlight the entire asterisk link and copy it. You can usually right-click and choose copy or just hit Ctrl+C or Command+C on Mac. This URL is like the secret doorway that lets WordPress know exactly which post you want to embed. Next, head over to your WordPress dashboard and open the page or post where you want this Instagram content to appear. Find the exact spot in your content where you want the embed to show up. Click there, and now here's the magic. On a completely new line, simply paste that link you copied. No formatting, no special tools. Just the link alone on its own line. Hit enter and give it a second. You'll see WordPress instantly recognize that this is an Instagram link. What happens now is WordPress automatically transforms your pasted link into what they call an embed block. That means instead of just a boring link, you'll get a full live preview of the Instagram post, complete with images or video, captions, and even interactive options like follow or comment. It really does make your website feel more alive and connected with your Instagram presence. Now, every so often, especially depending on your theme or certain editor settings, you might notice that pasting the link doesn't automatically pull in the Instagram embed. Don't worry, it's super easy to fix. In this case, you'll want to manually add the Instagram block. Just click the plus button in your WordPress editor to add a new block and type Instagram in the search bar that pops up. Click on that Instagram block and you'll see a field asking you to paste in your link. Go ahead and paste the same Instagram URL right there and click embed. In a moment, your post will appear just as it should right inside your content. And that's really all there is to it. Embedding Instagram posts in WordPress can be done in literally seconds, and you don't need to mess with plugins, custom code, or anything complicated. It's the perfect method for anyone who wants a quick, lightweight, and reliable way to bring beautiful, up-to-date Instagram content onto their site. If this walkthrough helped you, let me know by hitting that like button. And if you have any questions or run into any snags, just drop me a comment below. I check and reply to them all. And for more simple, actionable WordPress and social media tutorials, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.